For hole repair with 49.5mm patches, you'll need the following tools. First, drill a hole using the cylinder head drill. For assistance during drilling, use the centering panel. It is attached to the alkus panel with nails. Pre-drill the hole for the patch and remove the centering panel afterwards. Note the information on the diameter. Insert the patch and drive it in with the plastic hammer. Subsequently, preheat and weld around the patch using the welding device. Allow the welded area to cool down for about 2 minutes. After cooling, remove the excess material with the paint stripper. In the final step, strip the repaired area with the scraper and the paint scraper to achieve a smooth surface. In just a few steps, the alkus solid plastic panel is ready for use again.